Trouble at Home by Penny Singh. What if I could get out of here? Where's the cat? Got it! Oh, it's getting dark. Oh, it's not too high up. I can see from the edge of the porch. That must be fun. Just think I'd run away. Just think I'd jump. Just think I splattered on the road and large lorry has run over me. Well, nothing past anyway. I'll need to be comfortable. Something to eat. A pillow. What did I put those little sleepballs? Right, here we go. Oh. I made it. Right, I'm here. When she comes looking for me, I'll shoot her with my catapult. What would I shoot at her? I know, I'll use these tiny eggs. She gave them to me. Well, she can have them back. I bet they'll hurt. Yuck, it tastes funny. I wonder if she loses them. I'm so sick. I really do feel ill. My head was swimming. It's getting dark. Maybe I'm going blind. I bet she's poisoned them. I hate her. Mum, I'm up here, above the front porch. Casey's been horrible to me again. She slapped me and I hate her. She poisoned my Easter egg. It was because I put super glue on the dog. Mum, the vet's in the kitchen now. Mum, I'm sorry.